Please subscribe to our channel. For latest updates, don't forget to press the bell icon. General question about valves. What are the functions of valves? Isolation, regulation, non-return and special purposes. What are the isolating valves? Gate, plug, ball, diaphragm, butterfly, piston, pinch. What are special valves? Multi-port, flush bottom, float, foot, pressure relief, breathe air. What are the non-return valves? Check valve, what are the materials used for construction of valves? Cast iron, gunmetal, bronze, carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy carbon steel, polypropylene, special alloys, and other plastics. What are the steps in selection of valve? What to handle, liquid, gas or powder, fluid nature. Function, construction material, disc type, stem type. How to operate, bonnet type, body ends. Delivery time, cost, warranty. What is preferred location for drain? Must be located at the bottom section of drum. What is straight-through valve? Valve in which the closing operation of valve is achieved by 90 degrees turn of the closing element. What pressure tests are carried out on valves? Seat pneumatic, seat hydrostatic, shell hydrostatic. What are available valve operators? Hand lever, hand wheel, chain operator, gear operator, etc. What are wetted parts of the valve? All parts that come in contact with surface fluid are called wetted parts. What is wire drawing? This is used to indicate the premature erosion of the valve seat caused by excessive velocity between seat and seat disc. When valve is not closed tightly. That's it for today. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe.